Are you so busy that you don't have time to take care of your skin? Hi, I'm Dr. Sharmila Nayak and I'm the founder of the Skin First Clinic. I believe that our skin deserves nothing but the best, and I am very passionate about educating and empowering people how to take care of their skin. We all lead a very busy lifestyle. At the same time, we also want to feel good, get pampered, and also look our best. Busy individuals with no time for self care, also the challenges that they face with lack of sleep, poor diet, poor lifestyle can all lead to no glow on the skin, a dull, lackluster skin, and also these changes could lead to premature aging of the skin. Today, I'm going to share some quick hacks where you can infuse some magic into your busy lifestyle in your skincare routine. So here we start. What is the first step? We have all heard we should know our skin type. How many of us know what is our skin type? Define what is your skin type, identify your skin concern, and most importantly, set a skin goal. Don't we set goals for our lifestyle? Don't we set goals for our personal growth? And don't we all set goals in our career? So, very important, if we want to look the best, set a skin goal for yourself. After you set your skin goal, definitely you know that you have to start with a basic skincare routine. Simplify your skincare routine. How many minutes does it take for us to follow a good AM and PM skincare routine? Incorporate a few minutes. Start with something basic. Start your day by using a mild, gentle, brightening face wash. You could also follow it up with a active serum, which I have been talking about in how to layer your skincare products. Do watch that video if you want to know the correct order of layering your skincare routine. First the face wash. After that, apply a serum which has an active ingredient like hyaluronic acid or a vitamin C serum. After it gets absorbed, apply a lightweight moisturizer and then top it up with a lightweight gel or a cream based sunscreen according to your skin type. Few minutes and you're ready to go. Night routine, or also known as PM routine. You should definitely start after washing your face wash. Just apply a gentle active serum according to your skin type. It could be an AHA serum, it could be a hyaluronic serum or a retinol based serum. And then don't forget to top it up with a lightweight moisturizer or a ceramide based moisturizer. Simple tricks, not really difficult to follow. Besides following a good skincare routine, we need to also remember, if you want a healthy, glowing and radiant, youthful skin, just mere skincare is not going to be enough. So definitely remember, schedule an appointment with an expert dermatologist at least once a month. I'm sure we all can remove time once a month to feel good, to look our best and to pamper ourselves. In-clinic procedures are highly helpful to give you a long-lasting glow, to make the skin more healthy and also to maintain our youth and to fight the free radicals. So in clinic treatments, there are some quick express treatments which give you an instant glow. Something which is very popular is a laser toning treatment, a laser medifacial, Instaglow medi treatments. These treatments take as less as 20 to 30 minutes and they can just give you a beautiful, healthy, radiant glow which lasts for a couple of days or weeks. Here's a pro tip. What is my favorite and also which is a very popular treatment and most opted for treatment with my busy clients is a therapy which is called microneedling with exosome factors. Another popular treatment which we have is the skin booster treatment and a Hydra Gold therapy. Now these treatments are highly customized treatments, takes as less as 20 to 30 minutes. The benefit why it is so hugely popular is that it has no downtime, it is safe, it is painless, and the glow that it gives is no less than the famous glass skin that we all have heard about. And the best part is that the results last for a couple of weeks. So whilst it's important that we follow all these simple tricks, it is also important that we club it with a healthy lifestyle. Make sure that you are well hydrated throughout the day. Also follow a good healthy diet which is rich in protein, minerals and vitamins, and make sure that you remove some time on a daily basis for exercise, because we all know how important lifestyle plays when you want to achieve a healthy and youthful skin. Subscribe to my channel and keep showing some love. So what are you waiting for? Start prioritizing your skin, and don't forget, keep smiling, keep shining.